Okay, everybody, Cobra Daytona Build coming at you. No Daytona stuff here, but we're gonna start my son's 347. I figured I'd throw it up here on the video. You know, if you don't want to watch it, go to the next video. But we're gonna throw this thing up. First start, we kicked it over once to see if the starter would engage. We had an issue with that, so we had to rewire the starter a little bit. Starter's real funky. It's kind of like a Chevy one, but I digress. So we're gonna get this thing fired up, and then hopefully my next video, my buddy's Type 65, he actually went out to Nevada and did the open road race, you know, where it's balls to the wall for 100 miles. So I'm working on that video here in the next week, and we'll try to get that up. Yeah, it's not mine, but it's a Type 65, and he beats on it more than anybody. So hang tight, we're gonna get this thing fired up in a few minutes. So we're ready to start this thing. We got 2 fire extinguishers here. You know, these Fords, they love to burn down. I had to throw that out. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna stand out of the line of fire when this thing kicks a rod out the side of the block. Oh, no keys. All right, well, let's see. So this is the actual first attempt at starting. We'll see what happens here. Rewired the whole car, so who knows if it even all works. Oh, I heard something go click. Sound like a relay of some sort. Is that it? Oh, okay, so he's in there setting that sniper doodad thing. Okay, go for it. All right, here we go. Well, that was a good first attempt. We got nothing?
You cranked it before, right?
You got the key turned to the run position. Yeah. Okay, everybody, that was a big event no-go. So we hit the start and nothing happened. So we're not sure what's going on. I didn't hear the fuel pump prime either. Okay, so we found 2 issues. One, he blew the fuse on the starter circuit. He's got that little panel in there, as you can see, and the wire touched the HVAC controls. Grounded that out, popped the fuse, did what it did, so that's good. So we fused everything. And then he hadn't hooked back up the distributor, so it's not gonna start without that. So we'll give this one more shot. You know, it would have been amazing to have it fire first time, but it almost never goes that way. Okay, here we go again. At least it turns over good and disengages. It's alive! Get the RPMs up a little bit. Got oil pressure. Okay, we got it up and running. It definitely got some tuning issues with this sniper. It seems like it runs fine, fires up. It doesn't want to idle, but you know, we'll mess around with it. But at least it runs, sounds mean, sounds totally wicked. So thanks again for watching, and hit subscribe.